Vatican is marking its 400th anniversary by making it easier for visitors. This marks 400 years since the consecration of St. Peter's Basilica.
A few eyebrows have been raised over plans to expand the little snack bar they have here on the roof to 100 square meters. People say the Vatican might be mixing up the sacred with the profane.
It's the 400th anniversary of St. Peter's Basilica, a time for holy introspection, respectful celebration, and our new expanded snack bar. Enjoy delicious treats like our Pope Tarts or infallibences.
Taste the sacrament.
Or feast on our tasty whitefish Pope Boy sandwich.
Glory be to God.
And as always, unlimited loaves and fishes.
Wash it down with a Sistine Snapple.
The new Basilica Snack Bar, for those who can't wait until the Last Supper.